Are you listening to music on your AirPods only to realize one side is completely silent? It is extremely frustrating when one AirPod stops playing or charging. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue step by step. Let us solve this together. First, check for dirt or debris blocking the connections. Clean the silver contacts at the bottom of the AirPod stem and inside the charging case using a soft, lint-free cloth. Do not use sharp metal tools to avoid damaging the charging pins. This simple step often restores charging instantly.
Second, verify your stereo audio balance settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to Accessibility, then select Audio and Visual. Scroll down and make sure the audio balance slider is set exactly in the middle. If it is shifted to one side, it will mute the other.
Third, perform a full reset of your AirPods. Open Settings, tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods, and select Forget this device. Next, put both AirPods in the case, keep the lid open, and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds. Reconnect them when the light flashes amber and then white.
This problem is usually caused by bad charging contacts, dirt inside the case, or a temporary software sync glitch. Never use excessive liquid or water when cleaning your charging case as it can damage the delicate circuitry inside. Keep your devices clean and updated.
Your AirPods should now be working perfectly on both sides. If this guide helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your results in the comments. Thank you for watching.